Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the help and support section in the Australia Post application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Help and Information section, just click on the Help and Support button. And as you can see, there are different categories that you can choose from in terms of help. So, for example, if you have any question on collection and delivery options, just click on that. And you can find further categories like parcel collect, and just click on that. And as you can see, there are 12 more questions in this category. So if you can find yours, then just click on that question, and you will get a detailed answer for that. And you can also give a feedback whether the question and the answer was a helpful thing or not. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.